you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the new LookFantastic 2020 Chinese New Year limited edition beauty box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my limited edition Chinese New Year beauty box just arrived. This is by LookFantastic, and this is $110, and it's supposed to have a value of $271. Now you can see what's going to be in it. So I do know what's going to be in it, but this has little drawers, kind of like an advent calendar. And if you follow me, you know I am a sucker for advent calendars, little drawers, items inside of little drawers, that kind of thing. So I had to get it just because I really wanted to show you guys. So even though I probably don't need anything in this box, I really wanted to show you. So that was my excuse for buying it. So again, this was $110, and let's go ahead and dive in and see. Now the outside packaging does look really, really cute. It does have like the little flowers, and it does have like the Chinese New Year's or the Chinese little thing going on. I really love the design of this box. Let's get the cover off. And then here is the actual box, which I still think is really, really cute. I do love red. Red and black is my next favorite colors, amongst blue being my first, but red and black, I just have, there's something about red and black together. I know this is red and gold, calm down. But there's just something about red and black that I just love, and I always have. So I do like this color red. I do like the way that the box looks. And I guess when you open, there's a card. When you open it up, that's what it looks like. So this side says New Year's resolutions. So I guess you could, if you wanted to, you could write 3 of your New Year's resolutions on there. And on this side, it has an actual full 2020 calendar. That is actually really neat. So you have a full-size calendar over here. You have your resolutions you can write over there. And then you have 7 different little pull-out drawers. So I think this is really cute. I don't know if I'm going to try to incorporate this in my craft room or in my beauty room or what I'm going to do, but I'm definitely going to use this box. Now let's see what's inside of the box. So what fell out was this card, and it just says LookFantastic, and on the back that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what are in these little drawers. So let's go with drawer number 1. Okay, yes, I gotta sit you down now. So the first item I'm pulling out is, now we've got this brand before, and I think it was a actual like charcoal black soap, and it was like a really expensive soap. So I know this brand is not a cheap brand whatsoever. This is a memory sleep mask. That sounds amazing. Is there any, there's no directions on here. It just says made in the USA, experience well skin. So I'm hoping you leave it on overnight. I'll probably have to look online just to double check, because I know some you have to rinse off in the morning, some you do not, but that's what the consistency looks like. And it looks like it is like a little, yeah, it's like a little, that's a little, it's a little jelly consistency. Ooh, it has a nice, fresh, clean scent. That is a really nice scent. That would be a really nice scent to put on your face to go to sleep in, because it's just a nice, subtle, clean, clean scent. That smells really good. Ooh, and that feels nice. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. I just need to find out if you have to rinse this off first. If any of you guys have ever tried this, let me know. But I'm gonna have to look it up and just see what the directions show on their website to see if you leave this on and you don't wash it off, or if you have to wash it off in the morning. But it just says memory sleep mask, and it smells amazing. So item number 1, already starting off to an amazing start. So here is box number 2. There's some little paper in there, and this is the Ilamasqua. I'm probably saying that wrong, but that's okay. Tomato, tomato. This is in the color of Rocket, and it looks like it is going to be a red. And if you guys follow me, I'm not a huge hip, especially on red, even though you guys say it looks amazing on me. But I would rather this go to a future giveaway. Ooh, it is an actual pretty red. That is a really pretty red though, you guys. But I have so many reds already that I don't use that I would rather this go to somebody who would use it. So I'm gonna just put it right back in the box, and that'll go in a future giveaway. Then now let's go with drawer number 3. This is a little bit of a bigger drawer here. And this is Philip Kingsley, and this is Elasticizer Extreme, adds elasticity and bounce. More bounce to the ounce. Rich deep conditioning treatment. Directions. Before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with fingertips, cover with a shower cap, and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. The longer the better. Rinse well and follow with appropriate Philip Kingsley shampoo and conditioner. So it's like a prep, it's a deep conditioning treatment, but you use before you shampoo and conditioner. I will definitely give that a try, because if it's anything for hair care, I'm all for it, especially hair masks and conditioning treatment. That is amazing. So let's go with number 4. That's this box, but there's 2 products inside of this one now. What these little boogers are. So they're the same brand, and it says Chanticleer. I am not sure, but you can go ahead and say that one. So this is a anti-pollution finishing essence, and this is an anti-pollution mattifying cream. So there's 2 different products from the same brand, and I think that's cool because then you get to try out 2 different things. And then let me see, a mattifying and lightweight cream infused with ingredients that shield against airborne pollutants, and that is the anti-pollution mattifying cream. And then this one over here says a weightless finishing essence infused with botanical sugars that create an instant barrier against pollution. I've never really tried products that were against pollution, so I'm actually excited to try that out. So there's both boxes. Now let's just go ahead and see what type of little tiny sample we have in here. And that's what it looks like, this little guy. So both of them are going to be the same exact size. The other one, I'm sure. But it's a little, oh, this is different. It's a little bottle. It's a glass bottle. Yes, that's a glass bottle. So there's those 2 items. And then box number 5, we have an Elemis product. And you guys, I'm gonna be completely honest. When I saw that this was an eye treatment, I was so excited because I keep getting the marine cream and there's another one that I keep getting both of all the time with LookFantastic. So I thought for sure I was going to get another one, the Matrix something or other. I thought for sure I was gonna get another one of those. So when I saw the eye treatment, that's another reason why I went ahead and pulled the trigger, because I'm like, I would like to try this product right here, and Elemis is really good. So this is a ProCollagen Advanced Eye Treatment Anti-Wrinkle Eye Serum. And oh, that's a good size bottle. Yes, definitely. That's the good size bottle. And it just comes out the end right there. So I'm excited about this guy right here. So this and this, I'm totally, this I'm excited on. Those other little guys, the pollutant situation, I'm really actually excited about too. So I'm actually liking this more than I thought I was going to. Okay, so this is box number, or drawer number 6 out of 7. This one has 2 products in here as well. This guy I've already received in another box, and I knew that by looking at it, and I was okay with that. This is the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil Limited Edition. And the bottle's really pretty. It has flowers and stuff on it. And I think mine was actually bigger than this one. I'm not sure. It's either the same size or mine was bigger. But that is that. So this one I already have. This is vegan friendly. So we have a face serum, which is amazing. And then we have a Sleep Plus pillow spray. And it says fast acting natural sleep aid with lavender to help restore normal sleep patterns. And if you guys know, I cannot stand lavender. So I will go ahead and set this aside. But it is a little spray bottle for you to spray your pillow and then just breathe in the good aroma of lavender. Lavender is supposed to be very calming, especially like with kids when you give them a bath at night. You can put the lavender, it makes them help them like kind of calm down. Same with adults, I hear. But I don't like lavender whatsoever. So I will pass this down to somebody else that hopefully does like lavender. Okay, so now the last drawer, you guys, and number 7 has 2 items in here as well. So that's really cool. So it's not just 7 items, we got 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we got 10. So in here, and I think I might have got this before, this brand looks so familiar and it probably came from another LookFantastic. This is Emma Hardy Protect and Prime SPF 30, a lightweight hydrating and protecting daily moisturizer. Smooths and primes the skin for soft focus luminous finish. So there's that little guy right there. And then the other one is the same brand. Oh, that lid's not even on right. They couldn't even screw my lid on right. So this is the same brand, and this is Moringa Cleansing Balm. And this does not have any instructions, maybe on the bottom. I don't see any instructions. Not tested on animals. It says a cleansing balm, so I guess it's use it to cleanse your face, but it's a little... As soon as I opened it, I got this weird whiff of something. I was like, ugh. It has like a weird essential oil scent to it. I don't know, that was just a weird... I wasn't expecting that when I opened the container, but there's no instructions on here on how to use it, but I'm sure it's just like a normal cleansing balm that you use just to clean your face. So that's how I'll try this out, because it is a small sample size. These are definitely, I would say these are definitely sample sizes. I would not consider these full size, and if they are, then shame on who made them. So that is everything that came in this beauty limited edition beauty Chinese box. It's not really a calendar, but it's kind of looks like one. So we have the sleep pillow spray, we have the botanical superfood facial oil, we have the hair conditioning treatment, we have the lipstick, we have this that I'm really excited to try, the memory sleeping mask. We have these 2 products to help with pollution, to get them off your face. We have this Elemis eye treatment that is a big bottle, and I'm so excited to try that out. And then we have these 2 little guys here to try out. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of them? Did you think any of these items were good? Do you think this was worth the value of $110? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, like I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.